Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got another beautiful bag to share with you today. So this is the Vintage Coach station bag, style number 5130. And this specific bag was made in the US in 1994. And what's kind of unique or a little bit more rare about this bag is that it's in the color green. It's not super common to find station bags in this color, so I think that makes it a little bit more desirable. And it would also be a beautiful color for the holidays coming up. So just wanted to share it with you guys. So the station bag comes with a detachable strap here. So you would attach it here to the sides of the bag, like so. And also comes with a top handle. So you could carry it by shoulder strap or with the top handle. So it's nice, you got those two options. And obviously the front has a turn lock closure right here. And then here's what the sides of the bag look like. And then here's the back. And then when we open the bag, it's got a front gusseted pocket. And then it's also got a back slip pocket along the interior of the bag. So here's what that pocket looks like. Here's the inside of the bag, and then it's also got the Coach Creed back here. Here's a close-up photo so you can see it better since it's hard to pick it up on camera this way. So that's the beautiful station bag in the color green. And I will link it below in our Etsy shop if you wanted to check out this bag. It is available in our Etsy shop. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.